Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess. If you're interested in going on a journey with me as I achieve healthier hair, skin, and overall wellness, consider hitting that subscribe button and then hitting that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I post a new video. And we'll be on the way to a long, healthy lifestyle journey. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I do when I have a twist out in versus a wash and go, like when I'm getting ready to go to bed. So it's kind of like a nighttime routine, how I tie it down, how I stretch it, whatever you guys want to say. I feel like somebody has asked me what I do when I have a twist out in. I don't retwist my hair. If I do retwist my hair, it's normally just like the front part, because this part of my hair is always stretched more than the rest of my hair. Like that's curl pattern is just looser. This is the part that loses definition first. So if anything, like if the rest of it looks good, I'll just do like a twist here and then like 2 twists here and then call it a day and I'm good to go for another few days. You get what I'm saying? Okay, so I'm not gonna do that because my hair still look good though. And I do know I look crazy right now. I have clips in the back of my head right now, simply to get this top part out of the way because I was like getting ready to do it, right? And then I was like, I might as well just record it. You know what I'm saying? I am going to be doing the banding method, and so with that, you really just need some hair bows. I would recommend, they have like silk scrunchies like this. This is a cotton one, so I don't necessarily know if I would want to do that because it might draw out the moisture in my hair. I don't know. So that's why I'm going to use these. And if you are going to use scrunchies like this, make sure it doesn't have like the little metal thing on it so it doesn't snag on your hair. Okay, so first things first, you're going to split your hair in 4 or in half or whatever. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to go ahead and split it. And then also, since this is kind of pushed out of the way, I already know where my hair is going to split. Yeah, all this is going to go together. So really and truly, you mainly need to focus on the roots. And then you're going to start going down. So I have my first band here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do this one over here. And put all this in a section. Use a little band. So pro tip is you want to make sure you don't get your ends. So you see how I kind of left these out? So that way that these will still be curly and look good. You get? So I'm going to take this down. So the reason why I'm leaving these pieces out, because they're already like hella stretched. You get what I'm saying? So I don't need it to be stretched anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and keep going, and I'm going to do the same for these top pieces over here too. Okay, so that's literally all that I do. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower, and then I'll be back once I'm dressed and everything and getting ready to take my hair back down. Okay guys, so I'm back and I'm getting ready to take my hair out. I went ahead and took my bonnet off because I like to let my scalp breathe a little bit before I actually like take my hair out, just in case, because my head sweats really bad sometimes. So that's just something that I personally like to do, is just go ahead and take my bonnet off so that way my scalp can go ahead and dry up a little bit if it's wet or anything, especially if I get like the shower or something. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take these down. Okay guys, so that is really all that I do. I only go back over it with the blow dryer just to kind of help make it more uniform, because sometimes since I'd be like this part was parted or whatever, sometimes it'll look like that or whatever. So I like to take the blow dryer just to kind of like make it all uniform and wake up all the curls, you know? But yeah, that's really all that I do. And honestly, tomorrow I would probably retwist these because it looks like the definition's kind of getting lost. You see down here it still looks okay, but you can tell that this one, like, by the end of the day tomorrow, I'm gonna need to like retwist it. So that's probably what I would do tomorrow. This side, maybe I can get a good day out of it another day before I retwist it, but definitely this side. So that's what I would do like tomorrow. And then as the days progress, I would just retwist this side or this side as needed, and then band it, or I just go ahead and do a pineapple, and that's all. So, like I said, I just wanted to show you guys what I do when I have a twist out, because I feel like somebody asked in the comments. So if you guys have any other questions about things that I do, like when I go to sleep or whatever, feel free to ask in the comments, because I do read my comments. I'm really bad about answering them, but I'm trying to get better about that. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.